Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass jar and glass vase, both from Dollar Tree. The glass jar is a canning jar and it's 14 ounces. I paint the outside of it with ink colored chalk paint by Waverly, giving it full coverage. Once that is dry, I apply a layer of a matte varnish, also by Waverly, to everything that I had painted. Next, I'm taking this 2 3/4 inch wood ring I got from Amazon, painting most of it with that same ink color. I don't need to cover it completely because I'll be cutting that down. I used my miter shears to cut that. I'll be making it look like a handle. I sand off the edges where I had cut that so it was nice and flat. Next, I'm taking the canning jar, and on the inside of the top of the jar, I am adding Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue and placing in that vase. The vase is about 8.5 inches tall. Once those are glued together, I take some black and white ribbon and wrap 2 pieces around the top of that jar, just so it kind of covers that area where you would normally screw on the lid. I trim those up at an angle and then add some greenery and red berries to the front where those knots on the ribbon are. I then take the Gorilla Glue and add some of that to one side of the handle and then hot glue for the other, so one gives a stronger hold and one is a quick hold. And then I decided to add a couple of little pine cones right around those berries as well. And then inside that vase, I'm just going to add an LED tea light. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.